This dance is called Little Rumba. It's a 32 count, 4-wall, beginner level line dance. Starting on our left foot into a rumba box forward. So we're going to step the left to the side, step the right beside the left, step the left forward, hold. Step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, step the right back, hold. That is your forward rumba box. Do that once more, off on the left. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold. Now we're going to do another rumba box, but this time we're going to go backwards. So we step the left to the side, step the right beside the left, step the left back and hold. Step the right to the side, step the left beside the right, step the right forward, hold. So that is your back rumba box. Do that once more, off on the left. 7, 8, side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold. So let's put those two together. Rumba box forward, rumba box back. Off on the left. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold. That's 2 rumba boxes. We're now going to do a slow chassé to the left. So we're going to step the left to the side, step the right beside the left, step the left to the side. That is your slow chassé. Hold. Cross rock, right over left. So we're going to cross the right over the left as we rock forward onto it, rock back as we recover our weight onto that left foot. We're now going to add on a quarter turn to the right. So I'm going to turn a quarter right, so step my right forward. Make sure you turn your whole body, don't have a twist in it, even if it means that back foot has its heel lifted off the floor. That's fine. It's better to have the heel off the floor and no twist in your body. Then hold. So let's just do that slow chassé with that cross rock turn on it. Off on the left. 7, 8, side, close, side, hold, cross, rock, turn, hold. Let's add that to the top. Rumba box forward, off on the left. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold, side, close, side, hold, cross, rock, turn, hold. To finish the dance, we're going to do some step, lock, steps. So we're starting off with the left, and we're going to actually do these to the slight diagonals. So you will continue to face forward, but you're actually going to be moving to the diagonal. So we're going to step the left forward towards that diagonal, cross the right behind the left, you see I'm still facing the side wall, and step that left forward again to the diagonal. Hold. Repeat with the right, but we're going to be going to the right diagonal. So we step the right forward on that diagonal, lock the left behind the right, step the right forward on that diagonal again. So I continue to face the side wall, but the steps are being done on the diagonals. So that little set of steps once more then, off on the left. 7, 8, step, lock, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold. End of dance when you get to that point, Let's put it all together. Rumba box forward, off on the left. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold, side, close, side, hold, cross, rock, turn, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold. And I'm ready to start the dance again with my rumba box side close step. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Rumba box off on the left. 7, 8, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold, side, close, side, hold, cross, turn, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, side, close, step, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, back, hold, side, close, step, hold, side, close, side, hold, cross, rock, turn, hold, step, lock, step, hold, step, lock, step, hold, side, close, step, side, close, back, side, close, back, side, close, step, side, close, side, cross, rock, turn, step, lock, step, step, lock, step. Hopefully you managed that, because I missed out the word hold on that last wall. Just gave you a little bit of a pause to indicate that there is actually a hold there. That's what I'll be doing when I'm chanting through the music. So I won't be saying the word hold, but there will just be that little pause in the chant. So that is your dance, that's your walkthrough. Let's give it a go to the music. Five, 6, 7, 8. Side, close, step, side, close, back, side, close, back, side, close, step, side, close, side, cross, rock, turn, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, side, close, step, side, close, back, side, close, back, side, close, step, side, close, side, cross, rock, turn, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, side, close, step, side, close, back, side, close, back, side, close, step, side, close, side, cross, rock, turn, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, side, close, step, side, close, back, side, close, back, side, close, step, side, close, side, cross, rock, turn, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, side, close, step, side, close, back, side, close, back, side, close, step, side, close, side, cross, rock, turn, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, side, close, step, side, close, back, side, close, back, side, close, step, side, close, side, cross, rock, turn, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, rumba, forward, rumba back, chasse, step lock, take her out and treat her like she's not rumba forward, rumba back, hold her like she's holding on a new romance, chasse, if you wanna love her, which you can be sure, step lock, take her out and treat her like
not yours.
Hope you managed that one.